Buongiorno everyone. Hi, I'm Marta and I'm here to introduce you to our Testaccio market walking food tour. Come and taste your way through the market with us. So this tour is for anyone who likes to eat, people from all walks of life, all ages. You just need to be interested in food and be curious and be willing to try everything that I give you. On this tour, one of the things that we do is we stop here at Inserlina. They have a prosciutteria, which is literally a place where we come for cured meats. They also have cheeses and olives, so we pick up a little bit of everything and taste our way through it. This is one of the staple stands that one might stop when shopping at the market. This is where you get all your basics from, and then from here you can start cooking. Besides the regular fresh pastas that here are made on a daily basis, we're also looking at more particular grains that have been brought in back into production since more or less 5 or 6 years. These are grains that maybe our grandparents used to eat, but were phased out due to low productivity or a number of other reasons. But now they're back, and they're back because of taste. So, for example, this one down there, which is Senatore Cappelli, is an excellent, excellent grain. Very sustainable, the flavor is incredible, and it's something that you tend not to find everywhere, which is why Testaccio is so great for these types of things. So we're here at Casa Blanca, which is box 22 here at Testaccio Market. And here you have a wide variety of different pizzas with slightly more unusual toppings, but all the more delicious. And there has been a real research when it comes to the dough and the leavening process. So if you come on our market tour of Testaccio, this is one of the things that you'll be trying. We are here at Manny and Pasta, which literally means hands in the dough. And one of the questions that we always get is, do Italians eat pasta every day? Yes, we do, and we love it. One of the great things about this walking food tour is that we'll also be able to explore the neighborhood of Testaccio and the fact that there are still plenty of Romans living here. So it's still an authentic neighborhood where you can get some authentic, real food. I look forward to welcoming you on this food experience. You can go ahead and book now on luxeassociatestravel.com. Ciao!